Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to English Trend. Let's talk about grammar and TOEFL exam. Let's get started. One of the most common grammar mistakes students make is incorrect subject-verb agreement. This happens when the subject and verb in a sentence do not match in number, singular, plural. Common mistake: the students study every day. Correction: the student studies every day. Explanation: the singular subject student requires the singular verb studies. Example 2. The books is on the table. Correction: the books are on the table. Explanation: books is plural, so the verb should be are instead of is. Tricky case: collective nouns like team, family, or audience can be singular or plural depending on the context. The team is winning, acting as a single unit, singular verb. The team are discussing their strategies, acting as individuals, plural verb. Tenses: when to use past, present, and future correctly in TOEFL responses. Past tense: used for describing past events, experiences, or completed actions. Example: last year, I studied English in New York. Present tense: used for general facts, habits, or descriptions of current situations. Example: I usually wake up early to study. Future tense: used for predictions, future plans, or expectations. Example: I will take the TOEFL exam next month. Common mistakes. Incorrect: yesterday, I go to the library. Correct: yesterday, I went to the library. Incorrect: I am studying for the exam now. Correct: I am studying for the exam now. Practical. Tip: pay attention to time markers, yesterday, now, tomorrow, to choose the correct tense. What are complex and compound sentences? Complex sentence: a sentence with one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. Example: although I studied hard, I still found the test difficult. Structure: dependent clause plus independent clause, or independent clause plus dependent clause. Common mistake: incorrectly using two independent clauses without a conjunction or subordinating word. Incorrect: I studied hard, I still found the test difficult. Correct: although I studied hard, I still found the test difficult. Compound sentence: a sentence with two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Fanboys: for, and nor, but, or yet so. Example: I wanted to improve my grammar, so I practiced every day. Structure: independent clause plus coordinating conjunction plus independent clause. Common mistake: incorrectly using a comma without a conjunction, comma splice. Incorrect: I wanted to improve my grammar, I practiced every day. Correct: I wanted to improve my grammar, so I practiced every day. Why these sentences improve TOEFL scores. Complex sentences show your ability to express ideas with depth and clarity, which is important in both writing and speaking sections. Compound sentences make your ideas flow better and create more natural connections between thoughts. Prepositions and collocations. Why prepositions are difficult. Prepositions do not always follow logical rules and often do not directly translate from other languages. The same preposition can have different meanings in different contexts. Example: look at the board, focus on something, versus look after the child, take care of someone. Common preposition. Mistakes. Incorrect: I am interested for learning English. Correct: I am interested in learning English. Incorrect: she depends on her parents. Correct: she depends on her parents. Incorrect: he is married with Sarah. Correct: he is married to Sarah. Collocations: preposition plus noun, verb, combinations. Collocations are natural word pairings that sound correct to native speakers. Some common prepositional collocations: good at. Example: she is good at math. Afraid of. Example: he is afraid of spiders. Interested in. Example: I am interested in science. Responsible for. Example: she is responsible for the project. Articles: a, an, the. How incorrect article usage can change meaning. Rules for using articles. Indefinite articles. A, an. Used with singular, nonspecific nouns. A is used before consonant sounds. I saw a dog. An is used before vowel sounds. She ate an apple. Definite article. The. Used with specific nouns that are known to the speaker and listener. The sun is bright today. I met the teacher you talked about. Using an instead of the. Incorrect. I saw a moon last night. Correct. I saw the moon last night. There is only one moon, so the is necessary. Omitting the when it is needed. Incorrect. I went to library to study. Correct. I went to the library to study. Referring to a specific library. Incorrect article usage changing meaning. I need a lawyer. Any lawyer, not specific. I need the lawyer. A specific lawyer known to both speaker and listener. He has a cat. One of many cats in the world. He has the cat. A specific cat that both people know about. Common article mistakes. Incorrect. I saw an elephant in zoo. Correct. I saw an elephant in a zoo. Incorrect. She is doctor. Correct. She is a doctor. Incorrect. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Correct. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Remember that some nouns, e.g. water, advice, do not take articles. Be mindful of exceptions, such as proper nouns not needing the, e.g. I visited Paris, not I visited the Paris. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.